Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to a new video and welcome in beautiful Poland. So yeah, we are in Poland. And as you can see here behind me, we are actually standing in front of our new Reust built garage, which still have to be built. Same like the rest of this garden, ground, property, whatever, however you call it. It's a huge mess, a lot of work, as you can see. But don't worry, we are a car channel, automotive channel, so I won't light you up with garden work and stuff like this. Just to show you, give you a little bit of impression where we are and what we are doing. This is how it's look like at the moment. So as you can see, we just started. We have some punctual fundaments which I actually made myself, and yeah, from this we're gonna build a new Reust built garage, and it's gonna be bigger, better, with more light, quiet, and yeah, this should improve the quality of our videos significant, hopefully. So this is what I wanted to show you, give you a little insight of where we are and what we are going to do during the next videos. Of course we will deliver car content as we started and like we wanna. So yeah, this is so far the update on everything around. So let's go back to the Golf Mk2 and I will explain you where we are right now. Back in our usual garage, the Golf Mk2 is standing here. So you can see we have added some visual little mods already, which I will show you in the video how I've done and what I've done. The same as we have a name. Maybe you can see we have written it in the dust, Kick in Golf. Why it's gonna be a kick-in golf, you will of course find out if you continue watching our videos and subscribe to our channel to always be informed about each and everything. And this is how it's look like at the moment. The doors we have sanded down, put some Bondo, sand it down again on the places where I welded the Golf. Still we have to make the rims a little bit nicer. Front, back, it's standing on rims right now because we are still sanding down the back part of the Golf. The Golf will get wrapped. It's the first time we're gonna make a full wrapping on a car, and the first time in my life I do it myself. We'll start with the exhaust in this video and put some modification, let's call it this way, the modified exhaust on the car, and I will show you how I've done the hood lockers. So see you in a second.
One eternity later.
sucker for the life. I'm caught up in the rise.
So yeah, after a little bit of detailing on our Golf Mk2, because all the parts are looking really dirty and really not nice anymore. It has been standing almost for 2 years just around under trees, on a street, etc, etc. So now let's get into the exhaust as promised. So let me show you how it looks like. I have actually take off the old one, which is very rusty and very much not nice. This end tip is just here, as you can see, on one screw, so it's making noises. It's it's rubbish. We have a new one. So yeah, from ASO company, as you can see, it's brand new, not second-hand, brand new, really brand new, which is 140 millimeters on 70 millimeters on the back, and I think it's looking absolutely sick once it is mounted. So yeah, let's get right into it and mount a new exhaust and see how it looks like. Welcome under a Mk Golf 2. So as you can see, I am here where the axle is. Actually, the connection between the second muffler on the back and the new the new muffler exhaust what we're gonna mount is actually exact here is the connection of it. So we will have to lower this exhaust entirely to have just a little bit more possibility to move it around. Here's not much of a space. As you can see, I'm standing on my ramps in a garage. Probably I will not film how I connect it. I mean, it's should be very clear how to connect this in here. And so see you in 1 second after I mounted the new exhaust. Do you like it? Guys, finally done. Finally the exhaust is mounted. Look at this. I think it's absolutely nicely looking. It makes a difference. 140 on 70 millimeter as mentioned. It's not 100% straight yet because I'm missing 2 of the rubbers which are actually holding the exhaust. But yeah, look at the difference. It's a huge difference. It's looking way nicer than before, and yeah, it was kind of a fight to mount it, but finally we have mounted our new exhaust, and now it's time to check out how it sounds like. After we took care about our exhaust and it's finally mounted, you hear how it sounds like. I think it's an absolute nice mod on this old Golf Mk2, and it absolutely makes a difference, optical and of course from the sound of the car. Now it's time to take care about the alloys. The alloys got some work they need, and also the calipers and the rest of it I will show you just in 1 second because I have to take them off right now. So finally the alloy is off, and yeah, as we can see, we have scratches all over the place, like in here. The paint is coming off. In general, I think it's a very nice alloy, which is the reason why I really want to save them. They are just matching good on the Golf Mk2 in my opinion. And as you can see as well, the caliper has been repainted in orange one day from previous owners, and also the disc is pretty much rusty, but the good thing is the disc is still in very good condition, same as our brake pads. They are in very good condition, as you can see in here. So yeah, this is some optical stuff we want to take care about. I will simply repaint it in black and the caliper as well, because yeah, as previously mentioned, it's not going to be an eye catcher. Different is this alloy. We want to try to make it looking very nice again. So yeah, enough of talking again, and let's get right into it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like it, please leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and then we see us in the next week. Ciao!